Day 30, I put in $500, and this account grew by $3 whole. 3, I think mine's broken.
Phil, it's been 1 month. You didn't buy a slot machine. You bought a snowball, and it's still the size of a marble.
Which is why I printed my balance, put it in a pot on the windowsill, and I've been watering it twice a day. Nothing!
Rich versus poor isn't only how you spend. It's whether you can sit still through the boring beginning, when the money hasn't started working yet and quitting feels perfectly reasonable. Phil, it isn't broken, and it isn't a plant. The first $10,000 is simply the slowest money you will ever build.
The slowest? Dad, I need the fast money. Where's the part where I check the app and gasp?
That part comes later. Right now, almost every dollar in there is a dollar you put in. The growth hasn't woken up yet.
The poor mindset watches the flat stretch, decides investing is broken, and quits or waters a printout. The rich mindset keeps depositing right through the boredom, because it knows the flat part always comes first. At $500 a month, your first $10,000 takes about 19 months, and 95% of it is money you deposited yourself.
95% is just me? So the mighty stock market chipped in 5% and took a nap?
Early on, you are the engine, not the market. Your 10th $10,000, though, takes just 9 months, less than half. At $500 a month, the first $10,000 takes about 19 months, and 95% of it is your own deposits. The 10th $10,000 arrives in roughly 9 months, because the market has finally started to help.
Wait, 19 months for the first? 9 for the 10th? So the money slowly starts doing the pushing for me?
Exactly. Your first 100,000 takes about 10.5 years. The second one takes under 6. The curve bends.
It speeds up? Why does everybody call investing boring instead of leading with the part where it becomes a snowball avalanche?
Because the boring part comes first. The flat stretch is the toll booth, and almost everyone turns around before they reach the hill.
The people who get rich here aren't smarter, Phil. They just didn't rage quit in month 11, staring at a balance that barely moved.
You're right. I am patient. I am a mighty oak. I'm going to go water it one more time, just to be safe.
You cannot water a spreadsheet, Phil.
The real skill isn't picking. It's patience. Compounding only pays the people who can stay bored long enough.
Okay, patience. Starting now. I will not check the app. I will not check VR. How much did it change in 10 seconds?
It's the same, Phil. It will be the same in an hour. That's the whole point, and somehow the hardest part.
Your first 100,000 takes about 10.5 years. The second takes under 6. The curve keeps bending upward, so the patience you spend early is exactly what buys the speed later. The first 10,000 tests your patience, not your returns. Pass it, and the money starts working nights for you.
Fine. No more watering, no more staring. I will let the boring little marble quietly become a boulder.
Good. And don't dig up the seed every week to check the roots. Things grow in the dark while you're busy living.
Leave the seed alone. Trust the boring. Got it. Can I at least keep the little pot? It's growing on me.
The first 10,000 rewards the people who stay bored long enough to let it compound. Next time it's allowance day, and Max's $20 vanishes in 11 minutes, teaching the whole family a lesson none of them expected.
Speaking of growing things, Phil, tomorrow is allowance day, and your son Max has $20 whole burning a hole in his pocket.
Ah, allowance day. Next time, Max's $20 vanishes in 11 minutes, and the whole family learns a lesson.